Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
To begin, assemble basic tools and measurement goals for the RC car: a digital caliper, a shock wrench, a spring compressor or pliers, and a small ruler. Adjust ride height by changing spring per load, shock length, or mounting position. Use a digital caliper to measure ride height to 3 mm accuracy and record front and rear values separately. Have spare springs with rates like 2, 5N/mm and 3, 0N/mm ready, so you can swap springs to change static height without guessing. Place the car on a level surface with body and battery installed and measure static ride height at the chassis and hub. Measure both sides and average. Measure static ride height on a level surface with all fluids and battery installed. To raise height, increase spring per load by about 1 mm per adjustment or 1 notch on the collar. To fine-tune, shorten shock length by 2 mm to raise height or lengthen by 2 mm to lower it. Remeasure after each change and log values. Start tuning from a baseline. Set baseline ride height around 18 mm front and 20 mm rear for on-road touring setups, or higher for off-road by 5 to 10 mm. Perform corner balancing and a test lap to confirm handling and adjust by 3 mm increments until satisfactory. Small changes of 1 to 3 mm noticeably affect steering and traction. Record final settings, including spring rate, shock length, and preload notches for reproducibility. And recheck ride height after the first run to account for settling or shock oil migration.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.